Hello, good afternoon. Here we have a Lexus 2002 SC430 with the Mark Levinson system in it, as you can see. And we have installed a Pioneer AVH radio, and we will show you in a minute. This is what the vehicle looks like upon completion. Also has a phone mount cradle for the iPod auxiliary input device. Mark Levinson system. Okay, we'll go ahead and turn this on. Your radio activates. Navigation functions. Press the door. There we go. There's the Pioneer radio installed, trim kit, special adapter, first one of its kind, hopefully many more to come. Navigation functions seamlessly, works with the Mark Levinson system. Subwoofer, all 8 speakers, door opens and closes. Oh, one other thing too, we also have a backup camera installed. Well, there you go, first of its kind. Hopefully many more to come. River Oaks Car Stereo, Houston, Texas.